If you're looking for a really great solution for shoes and an entryway bench, check out this new bamboo entryway bench that I recently got on Amazon. This is by the STDDRE company, and it's made from bamboo as well as a cushion pad on the top. I really love having this. It's a very unique size. It's not that big, but it's also not too small. It fits perfectly right here in our entryway, and people really enjoy sitting on it because the top is really cushioned. Here's what the wood looks like up close, and here's what the cushion looks like. It's a really nice firm cushion, but it's also pretty soft material, and it fits a decent amount of shoes. I was wondering if it was gonna fit enough shoes, but we actually use the shoe rack here for outdoor shoes, and then we do inside shoes on the floor here so that it's okay on the carpet like that. So I definitely recommend this bench. I'm really happy with it. My husband said that it was really easy to assemble, and it's just been a really great addition to our living room. So if you like this video, I hope that you follow me on Amazon for more homemaking tips and tricks, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.